Hi everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My name is Anne and welcome to the day 11 of 90 Days Go Run Success Challenge. Today we will talk about Common Business Challenge. Sa mundo ng social media, ngayon ang pinakamalaking challenge ay ang kaalaman sa teknikal. Karamihan sa mga tao ay natatakot na hindi alam kung ano ang gagawin o paano ito gawin. We have proven system, step-by-step training site, coach, mentors, and business partner community that is available 24/7 para sa tulong kahit hindi ka direct business partner. Everyone works to help each other learn and grow. Percent of the business is already done for you. Maglaan ng mas maraming oras, iba pang aspect of the business. Marketing effectively is another challenge. Sa aming sistema, ipinapakita namin sa iyo kung paano magmamarket sa iba't ibang social media site upang gawin mas madali para sa iyo harapin ang hamon ito. The biggest challenge in your targeted market, ito ay maaring maging isang tagumpay agad para sa ilan. Others, it may take several trials and errors. Take your key the right market for you. This is all parts of running a business and you have to be prepared for the challenge, be willing to adapt the failures and change the needs to be happy to be successful. Change good is allowed you to grow and develop. Thank you for watching. Handa ka na ba maging isang taong aksyon? Learn more, join us, just click our website. Thank you again.